In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move all OneDrive for Business files to a shared location. Let's start by opening your browser and going to your OneDrive homepage. If you're prompted, sign in with your work account so you land on the OneDrive dashboard. This is your personal business storage area in Microsoft 365, and it's where we'll begin the move. On the left side of the screen, look for the navigation panel. Find and select My Files. This view shows everything stored in your OneDrive, including folders and individual documents. If you want to move everything, a quick tip is to select the first item, then use your keyboard shortcut to select all. On Windows, press Ctrl+A. On Mac, press Command+A. You can also handpick just the folders or files you want if you don't need to move everything. With your items selected, go to the toolbar at the top and choose Move To. If you don't see the toolbar option or prefer another method, right-click on any of the selected items to open the context menu, then choose Move To from there. Both methods open the same destination panel on the right. In the destination panel, browse to the shared location where you want these files to live going forward. This might be a shared folder your team already uses. If you don't immediately see it, expand the available locations and navigate through your shared folders until you find the correct one. Make sure you have permission to contribute to that location. If you don't, you won't be able to complete the move. Once you've highlighted the target shared folder, click Move Here. OneDrive will begin transferring your selected files and folders. You'll see a status indicator for progress, and larger moves may take a bit of time, especially if you're moving a lot of data or very large files. Keep the browser tab open until the move finishes. After the move completes, navigate into the shared folder to confirm your content is there. Remember, Move To relocates the items so they'll no longer appear in your original My Files view. This is useful when you want your team to co-own the content in a shared space. As a note, moving content can change file paths and links, so if you previously shared direct links from your personal OneDrive, you may need to reshare from the new shared location. Using Move To also helps maintain file integrity and, in most cases, preserves version history across OneDrive and shared libraries. That's it. You've successfully moved your OneDrive for Business files to a shared location, keeping your team's documents organized and accessible in one place.